this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Mazda 2 Evolve hatch, stock reference number 5798. The shape runs from the 4th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnished. Tidy rear bumper. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, command controls, auto gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.